Hey friends, I'm back with a new video. In this video, I will show you the last task of CAPS. For this, you have to come to its task section where you can see it gives you the option to enter. Tap on it, then you will get an option in which you have to click the up and down arrow and select the alphabet of your choice and click on the check option. Now, you also know that you can't enter any alphabet. I am showing you what to type. By tapping like this, you have to complete the word. Then click on the check option. I know it is a little problematic, but believe me, this is the right method. They have told in their official Telegram channel that it is a bug and they will fix it very soon. I am showing it for your convenience. I have also given the link of the community channel in that description so you can go and see their official Telegram channel.